Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this installation video, we will guide you through the process of successfully installing Arnott's remanufactured front air struts for a BMW 7 Series G11/G12 and 6 Series G32 with rear-wheel drive and four-corner air. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raising the vehicle. Then, remove the applicable front wheel and disconnect the airline from the strut. Disconnect and unroute the two electrical connections from the strut. Continue by disconnecting the control arm spindle from the wheel carrier assembly and removing and disconnecting the sway bar end link nut. Remove the bottom strut mount bolt and the strut's three top mount bolts. To complete the removal process, remove the old strut from the vehicle. Start the installation by preparing the new air strut by removing the silver threaded shipping plug. Then install the new provided VOS fitting and remove the white shipping pin. Now install the new air strut into the vehicle and install the three top mount bolts. Make sure to always tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Continue by reinstalling the bottom mount bolt and sway bar end link nut. The next step is to reconnect the control arm spindle to the wheel carrier assembly. Then connect and route the strut's electrical connections. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Be aware that scratches and/or deep cuts in the airline can result in possible leaks. Inspect the airline before insertion. Airlines need to be replaced if damaged. Finally, insert the airline into the strut's VOS fitting and press it in firmly until it is seated. Then reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a BMW with Arnott remanufactured parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.